Good evening everyone. Now you're watching BBC News in Focus with me, Erika Nurfauzia. I'll present you a factual and actual news for today. And the news is about Jakarta records 404 new COVID-19 cases, setting third new record in less than a week. Jakarta Governor Anies Baswedan has announced that the capital had recorded 404 new confirmed COVID-19 cases as of Sunday morning, the highest one-day peak since the outbreak began in the city. This peak comes not long after Jakarta registered its previous record high of 359 cases on Saturday and 308 cases on Wednesday. This spike is a warning to us all, Anies said in a video statement posted to the administration official YouTube channel on Sunday afternoon. The former education minister said that while most of the new cases were the result of the administration's massive active case finding effort, the city's increasing positivity rate was cause for concern. Anies said that since the beginning of June, Jakarta's weekly positivity rate had consistently been below 5%, which is one of the World Health Organization's requirements for regions seeking to the new normal. But today the positivity rate has risen to 10.5%, a two-fold spike. That's why I want to tell all Jakartans, do not take this lightly, do not feel like we are free of the COVID-19 outbreak, he said. He added that around 66% of new cases detected since June were people who were asymptomatic. So we have to be extra careful, because if this continues, we might have to return to the social restriction, he said. Anies urged residents to wear face masks at all times, maintain a distance of at least 1 meter from each other, wash their hands regularly, and ensure rooms were filled to only 50% of capacity. Do not let the situation reach the point where we have to pull the emergency brake. If that happens, we all have to go back home and economic, religious, and social activities will be halted, he said. Earlier this month, the administration extended the city's large-scale social restrictions to July 15, but the restrictions have been relaxed since June 4, with business and office reopening under new health protocols.
Saya ingatkan kepada semua, jangan sampai situasi ini jalan terus sehingga kita harus menarik rem darurat atau emergency brake. Bila itu terjadi, maka kita semua harus kembali dalam rumah. Kegiatan perekonomian terhenti, kegiatan keagamaan terhenti, kegiatan sosial terhenti. Kita semua yang akan merasakan kerepotannya bila situasi ini berjalan terus.
Disampaikan adalah bukan laporan. Apa yang harus kita kerjakan, problem lapangannya apa, udah, dan pendek-pendek. Kita ingin ini segera bergerak di lapangan, karena kondisi seperti di Jakarta, laporan terakhir yang saya terima, angka positivity rate-nya melonjak dari 4 sampai 5, sekarang sudah 10,5%. Tolong betul-betul dijadikan perhatian.
That's all for today. See you tomorrow in same channel and same time.